Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question, draw an onion with all its surface texture. So it's about mainly drawing a vegetable and how well you are aware of its qualities. So visual, like its visual appearance. So first we will start with the general shape of the uh, onion, which is somewhat spherical and tapered mostly at the edges. So it's mostly like there is a bulge, okay, and there is certain amount of texture on the top. Okay, now after we have this shape, we are going to first fill up this entire space with color. Okay, after that we can use the textural quality of the same tone and use it to obtain that surface texture of that onion. So there will be this vertical lines. At some places there is going to be reflections, and at some places we can see a lighter gesture. So after you have this, we can distribute some of the properties in here and there, and then you can pick up the color and create that texture of this onion shape, that bulging shape. So after you have this one, then you can go for this round, the shape which is at the protruding at the bottom, which is mostly an extended part of the onion itself. And then after you have this, you can work on the little bit on the reflection, because you will see a certain amount of shininess on some portions. Okay, after that you can work on the top portion, which has certain thread like parts which appears on the top. Okay, and then you can give some shades here and there to bring out that texture. And use the same color and give a shade so that parts looks realistic and it shows that it has certain protruding on that side, and then the lower part. So see, with this drawing we can more or less achieve that quality, that surface quality of that vegetable. And this kind of questions can come either as a separate, or they can give composition, like you have to draw a multiple vegetables in a as a composition. So be prepared for all the tips and practice various other kinds of vegetables with its surface and texture quality. I hope you understood how to practice questions like this. Thank you.